Hey guys, it's Nick, and I want to test out these two cameras that I have, the Canon M50 and the Sony FDR X3000, which is a small action cam. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to know is, can I just go travel with this small action cam and I don't need the better supposedly quality of the M50? So I'm testing it out today in very good light conditions, and this is on the automatic settings on the Canon, and there is no settings on the Sony really. Everything is pretty much automatic. So I'm gonna walk around with this with the sun in my face, behind me, and all kinds of things, and walk over some bumpy grass to see how the auto stabilization is on the two of these and compare the two, because I'm curious if I'm taking a trip, does the M50 really make the extra effort of carrying this thing along worth it? Let's take a look. So right now, let's see, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon or so, and so let me have the sun is right on my face right now. So how is that looking? And now 90 degrees away from the sun. Now the sun is behind me, and now another 90 degrees. Okay, so let me walk with this thing and let's see how the stabilization is. I walk pretty fast, and I'm walking on grass right now, so it's pretty bumpy. And also the camera is about 2.5 feet from my face, probably something along those lines. So how's that looking on the stabilization? And now I'm walking on the sidewalk a little bit more smoother. So how does that look? And how well can you see the park behind me? How far back can you look? All right, let's go take a look at this pond. And there, I'm directly at the sun. All right, so let's go back and let's see how clear we can get this sprinkler over here. And I'm using the stock microphones on both cameras right now, so there's a little bit of wind. I'm wondering how that's picking it up, if there's static or not. And now I'm walking on the grass again. So how is this picking up that sprinkler as I walk? Is it pretty clear? Is the sun blocking it all out? And when I stop, how's that look? By the way, the Canon is on the left, the Sony is on the right. And if I kind of do like a little bit of a jog, how's that look? So guys, that's a look at the comparison between the Canon M50 and the Sony FDR X3000. This is my daylight comparison, and I want to know, I just bought this Canon, I want to know, is it worth the extra trouble and the extra money of having this? Because I was out last night and did some low light videos and it wasn't promising. I'm going to go back out and change the settings around and stuff, because I didn't do that last night, and hopefully it's a lot better, because if it's not, right now I don't see a huge improvement over this little Sony action camera. So we'll see how the nighttime video comes out. But right now I'm curious to compare how well these do compared to each other in the daytime. So I hope you like this comparison, and let me know which one you think is the better camera, at least for daytime video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.